So you clicked on this video because you wanted to see me scratch an iPhone screen with sandpaper and see how it would scratch. I wanted to see what would happen too, so I decided to make this video. I hope you enjoy it. So for the people who don't know, sandpaper is made of abrasive materials, such as aluminum oxide or garnet, which is glued onto a paper or sponge backing. These materials have sharp points or edges, which is why it's also considered a cutting tool, like a saw or chisel. All the iPhone screens are made of glass. However, the type was never announced by Apple. There are many ways to smooth glass edges, including using sandpaper, so I suspect the sandpaper would leave a mark on the screen. In this experiment, I will be testing out 4 different types of sanding sponge and a file. Sorry, I didn't have any of those real sandpaper left. I'm going to test this outside, so I wouldn't get any glass shards in my house.
The metal file has created many small micro scratches, but the screen is still mostly undamaged. The coarse sanding sponge has had none to minimal effect to the iPhone screen, but this is to be expected because the grains are very large. The medium sanding sponge makes considerably more fine scratches. The amount increases while the size decreases, as does the grain size differs. With the ultra-fine sanding sponge, you could see countless micro scratches. In the right lighting, this is extra apparent. With the last sandpaper, the screen has suffered from countless mental illnesses and phases of depression.
All in all, we have decided to end its sufferings, and we sent it back to the hands of Spanish Jesus in heaven. But we have decided to film it all in slow motion for you guys to enjoy. And please stay to the end for a special announcement from the XIA team. A couple weeks ago, we have recruited a new member to the XIA team. His name is Diep Ikwi, and he is our first part-time member. Congrats! Please subscribe and click on one of the videos shown on screen right now. Thank you, and goodbye.
Hit it again, please. 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much.